Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Miss Nene and welcome to Miss Nene's Art. So before I start, let's talk about the element in the room. My wrist. I had carpal tunnel surgery about 10 days ago and I am wrapped up here and I'm going to have to just work around it. But by the end of this video, it's going to be taken off because I have to go and have it removed tomorrow. But right now, let's talk about the painting. So I'm going to be using Deco Art paints. And right here is going to be the base paint, Enchanted, black. I just mixed that with a little bit of water. And that's my base paint. These paints are activated by black paint. I've tried white, didn't work. I haven't tried any blue, but black works the best. So I'm going to use Enchanted Gold and Holographic Gold. This one has a really pretty holographic glitter inside, but gives it a sparkle that you will not believe. And the gold is very rich. So those two complement each other very well. And the blue, which is the shimmer, which is different from the holographic, gives you a slight shimmer. And then the Enchanted blue is just the very beautiful blue, and they go very well together. And next, also, I'm going to be using the magenta, the shimmer magenta, and then the regular Enchanted Iridescent magenta. I also am going to be using, let's see, what else? I wanted to use the silver and the green. But before I even talk about that, let's talk about these two right here, the difference. One is a shimmer and one is a holographic. They're both different, but they both have their own effects, so to speak. And then finally, I'm going to be using the Enchanted green and then the holographic silver. I just wanted to have a lot of different colors, a lot of different sparkle, and use all these paints together in one painting. So I'm going to also be adding some decorative little embellishments. These mirrors that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to put them on there, but I want to incorporate them somewhere on this canvas. And I got my little dryer. So let's go ahead and get this thing started, and I will catch you at the end. Thanks for watching. Okay, so this area right here where it's white and all the areas where you see that looks white, it hasn't changed yet. It will develop and it will turn to the color that it's supposed to be as it dries. It's going to be so pretty. Wait until you see. But that's what it does. It develops. It comes out instantly sometimes, and other times it just takes its time, and then the color will eventually develop as it dries. Just wait. You'll see. Okay, so 24 hours later, I am back. I had that big bulky wrap off my bandage off my wrist and my hand, so now I can move around a little bit better. I'm still in pain, but hey, it's progress. So now let's talk about the painting. Look at how pretty it is. You can see the sparkle right around here, all through the painting, especially around the edges, right around here. I love this green. I love all the colors, but the green is just, it just stands out. It's so pretty. I really love how this turned out. I was wondering if I should even put anything on it, but I really wanted to do something a little different. So I am gonna put these little glass embellishments on here. I just have to figure out what angle. So I think I went with this angle right here. So all I'm going to do from here is just go ahead and add the glass embellishments, and I'll be right back. Okay, so another 24 hours later, I put some varnish on and added some more mirror embellishments on. I know that the center part was not exactly centered. It's a little off-centered actually, but it still turned out really pretty. That's why I added more mirrors to give it some more definition, I guess, some more character. I'm really happy with how it turned out. The varnish popped the colors out even more beautiful. I love this painting. Let me know what you think about how this turned out in the comments below. You can see my phone in the mirror, but that's unavoidable. It is a mirror, right? So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate you. I appreciate your time, and I'll be back with more videos. Stay safe out there. Bye-bye.